How to change private account to public on Snapchat. Everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner as well. Then scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of privacy. So as you tap on privacy control, you'll be able to see different options over here from contact, review story, comment settings and so on. So you just have to go to every settings and then tap on friends and contacts, or if you are given the option of everyone, you can also select on everyone. So just go to every options over here. So you can tap on everyone over here. See me in quick add, family center, and so on. And that's how you create and change private account to public on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.